Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, please look at these beautiful flowers. In this video, we will learn about the parts of flowers. Do you still remember? The plants can divide into the flowering plants and then non-flowering plants. But in this video, we focus on flowering plants. Look at these plants. Do you know which part of the plants that have a functions of reproductions? Yes, the answer is flowers. Now I have a question. Why do plants need to reproduce? The answer is because the plants need to continue their excess. Okay, let's explore about these hibiscus flowers. Starting from the stem. The stems can hold on the buds, the leaves, the flowers, or the fruits. Next is sepal. The sepals can protect the flower when it is in the bud stage. Okay, let's move to the colorful part of the flowers, or named as a petal. Maybe different flowers have different colors of petal. This petal can attract the animals to come in. Did you know flowers have the male part and then female part? The male part of the flower called the stamen. The stamen consists of the anther and then the filament. Now, look at this one name is anther. In the anther, there is a pollen grains. These pollen grains help to reproductions of the plants. Look at the below part of the anther, named is filament. This filament is a thin stalk which holding the anther. The male part or the stamen usually have more than one. Next, we move to the female part, or name is pistil. The pistils consist of the stigma, style, and then ovary. The stigma is at the tip of the style. Dia bagian paling atas ya. And then next, below the stigma, there is a long stalk which holding up the stigma. We name is style. Next is ovary. This ovary is the place of ovules. Ovule is the reproductive cells of the female part. You can see in your book in page 52 and then 53 about the parts of flowers. But I will conclude that pollen grains is the reproductive cells of the male part or the stamen. And then the ovule is the reproductive cells of the female part or the pistil. Some flowering plants have stamen and pistil in the same flower, in the one flower. The example is hibiscus and then lily plant. But some flowering plants have a stamen and pistils in different flowers. For the example is pumpkin flower. Now, please observe in your house which flowers that have a stamen and pistils in same flowers or different flowers. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.